Hi, this is Mobile Max. This is a 2011. Did I say 2011? Anyway, 2011 clean diesel TDI Jetta Volkswagen. And we pulled the thermostat housing. This is the new one right here. You got to remove the radiator fan, and then you're going to have to remove the intake, the intercooler, and the throttle body, and everything that connects to it. Got a lot of T30 screws and 10 millimeters. What else? A 5 millimeter? What's this? That's like a 25, right? 25, T30, T25. There's the block that it came out of. Thermostat housing. It's a pretty tough job. Mainly, just take your time and detach the things so you don't break anything. But that's it. Mobile Max signing off. Thanks.